I didn't do it. I swear it wasn't me. I was not the one to put an air horn in a Power Wheels. It wasn't me. I was framed. Hey guys, welcome back. Big Pete Garage. Pretty creative, huh? God, there's gotta be something wrong with me. I don't know how I come up with this stuff. Well, anywho, last week we were at a Jeep night, and we had the wife's Wrangler there, Ruby, and Mini Me, the Power Wheels that I built. You go back in my videos, you'll see how I built it. And it was a big hit. And my mouth started running my mouth, and I told people I could probably put an air horn in this thing. They were like, no, you couldn't. I went, yeah, sure I can. I'm going to wire it on a remote, too, a wireless remote. Really? I'll figure it out, I guess. So in this video, we're going to figure it out. I bought a 12-volt powered air horn off of Amazon for $17. Didn't come with wiring. Didn't come with instructions. I don't know. We're going to figure it out. Stay tuned.
Here's to you, and here's to me. Best of friends will always be. But if we ever disagree, you and here's to me. Yo, what's the crack? Where you at? Yeah, top of the morning. Let's tie one on. Bartender, keep pouring. Oh, Danny boy, I hear the pipes calling. Leave nobody out in the cold.
Alright, enough playing around. So this is what came in the $17 Amazon air horn kit. No wires, but it did come with a relay. Not going to need that. Short little piece of hose, some mounting bolts, and a Y fitting. And these things. Look at these, huh? Fabulous! Look at, what is that color anyway? I don't think I can even pronounce that color. Fabulous! Let's do a bench test on these, see how loud they are. Alright, so I got my trusty power probe over here. Positive and negative is labeled. Let's just give this a little test. May not be giving it enough juice, but let's see if it makes a toot toot. Not enough juice. All right, not enough amperage. Stand by. All right, I got my booster pack out. I got some little test wires going to the ground and the positive. Let me turn this thing on and see what it does. Oh my God! All right, now we got juice. Let's hook up the air horn and hold on to this thing. Let's see. Oh my God! That is amazing. $17. That's better than the one I put in my wife's Jeep under the hood for her everyday horn. And that thing was $30. Oh, I gotta go back and buy a couple more of these. Oh my God. Oof. So the next major thing is figure out where we're going to put the actual horns. So let's see. This thing got any room in here for these two? Let's see. Oh, why yes it does. They do fit. This hose ain't going to reach nothing though, because I think I'm going to have to put the compressor itself under the seat. No big deal. I'll run an air hose forward. Oh, this is going to be so doable. Oh yeah. We're going to have a power wheels with parking lights, headlights, flashies, and an air horn. Alright, the next major hurdle is going to be figuring out the wireless remote. Let me sit down and throw some things together. So these are the directions for that remote control relay switch that I bought, that I use to control everything. And thankfully, it has English. It's the last in the book, but it has English. It's not the best, but I can figure it out. So this is this relay switch box that I'm going to have to reprogram. So I have to figure out which relay is number 1. I'm already using all 4. So I'm going to combine the parking lights and the underneath lights together in the same relay. So I have a spare to hook the horn up to. And then with this little button right there is how I put it into program mode. So let me go ahead and program it to go from a toggle to monetarily on. So when you hit the button, it comes on. You release the button, it goes off. There's no on, and then push the button again for off. It has to be switched from toggle to monetary. All right, let me do that. All right, so we got the air horns under the hood. They're just thrown in here right now. I'll zip tie them to something so they don't bounce around. So, close the hood on that. In the back here under the seat, there's the compressor. Got the wiring going over to the receiver module, which I had to reprogram because it was keeping the horn on all the time. Reprogram that, and then the air hose comes out underneath. I'll zip tie this up as well. Up and over, under the hood. So, how loud is it? There's a remote. I put it on relay A. Let's see. Oh my God! That thing is louder than the one that's under the hood of my wife's YJ. For $17, that thing is amazing. Oh, haha. I can't wait for the first person at a car show. I'm going to hand this to him. Here you go, turn the lights on. And they're going to go, okay. Oh yeah. Watch out if you see me at the car show. At Jeep night. Watch out. Ha. So that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment below. Hit that like button. And please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. I really need you guys to subscribe to the channel. It's the only thing that helps me grow. Alright. This was a quick, easy one. As always, it's fun. Love wiring. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Manifestation of the this like an every show.